Good morning, everyone, and welcome for today's opening of bids for civil works and also for public conference for goods and services. And here's the list of project for public conference for today for goods.
Unang lang right.
So, for the public conference is the project, based by GGH-E01, purchase of materials testing, equipment, accessories including training, calibration, and demonstration. Quality assurance section, DPS of the Secretary Office, with the IBC of 10 million pesos. For the
Building conference, civil work.
civil works, 25J0131, construction of road, Barangay Rizal, Nabas, Aklan, with the IBC of 19,800,000. And for the pinong bids for civil works, 25J0085, completion of multipurpose building, Barangay Jawili, Tangalan, with the ABC of 1,980,000. Next project, 25J0092, completion of multipurpose building, Barangay Bagong, Barrio, Makato, Aklan, with the ABC of 1,980,000. Next project, 25J0099, completion of multipurpose building, Barangay Bulwang, Numancia, Aklan, with the ABC of 2,970,000. Next project, 200103, completion of multipurpose building, Barangay Tagaroroc, Tagas, Aklan, with the ABC of 1,900,000. Next project, 200107, completion of multipurpose building, Barangay Tagas, Tangalan, with the ABC of 2,970,000. Next project, 2020-0117, construction completion of multipurpose building, Barangay Marianos, Numancia, Aklan, with the ABC of 2,970,000. Next project, 2020-0130, construction of road, Purok 4, Barangay Dongon East, Numancia, Aklan, with the ABC of 4,900,000. Next project, 25J0040, construction of Mabulay Road, Barangay Linabuan, Norte, Kalibo, Aklan, with the ABC of 4,950,000. So that's the list of project for video conference and also for the opening of bids for today. So today is March 6, 2025. And before we start, let us have our opening prayer to be led by Mama Ella in the reception.
Let us pray. In the name of the Father, and the Holy Spirit. Lord, thank you for this wonderful time. We gathered in your name as we conduct our pre-bid conference and reading process. Guide us, Lord, and help us to be able to understand and follow the Government Procurement Reform Act to achieve the objectives of this undertaking. Create in us, O Lord, the desire to be more dedicated and committed to our duties and responsibilities, and just to be more responsive to the demands of integrity and public office. This we ask for your Son, Jesus Christ our Lord.
Thank you, Mama Ella. And for the determination of quorum, may I call Mr. Ray Bernal.
Thank you, Sir Nana. Once again, good morning. Before we proceed to our public conference, and at the same time, for opening of bids, let's have the roll call of our PAC members who are present today. Let's start from our chairperson, Sir Nabas.
Present.
Our vice chairperson, Sir Gerald Sinakit. So, only two will present today, our MAC regular member, because MAC regular Stephen Lee. So let's call him Mamara Vicencio.
Present.
Sir Joey Avella. Also with us is our provisional member, Sir John Vito Alcedo. So out of 6, 5 are present today. So now I declare that there is the quorum and there is and the opening bids for civil works, and at the same time, private conference can now proceed. Thank you, and once again, good morning.
So thank you, Mr. Ray Bernal. Since there's a quorum, we will now move first in the private conference for goods and services. So may I request QA personnel to please for the later description of that plan.
Good morning, 25 BGA 01, purchase of material testing equipment, accessories including training, calibration and demonstration, quality assurance section, DPWH, Aklan DEO Engineering Office. ADC is 10 million. The conduct duration, the delivery period is 45 calendar days. Full automatic PC control hydraulic servo universal testing machine. Specification capacity 2,000 kilonewton tension compression precision plus or minus 0.5% plus or minus 1%. Loading measuring rates 2%, that's 100% FPS. Loading accuracy plus or minus 0.5% plus or minus 1%. Loading resolution 500. State speed control is 1 megapascal per second to 60 megapascal per second. Displacement accuracy 1%. Displacement resolution is 0.001. Displacement speed control 0.0025 per second or 0.0025 per second. Speed accuracy 0.5% plus or minus 1%. Control of range is 0.3% to 100% fps. Capacity effective tensile span is 1,300 mm. Effective compression span 1,000 mm. Column width is 745 mm. Round specification clamp diameter to 6 to 65 mm. Flat specimen clamp 0 to 50 mm. Clamp with width of flat specimen 140 mm. Size of compression plate 300 mm. Main frame dimension is 1,200 by 800 by 3,300 mm. Oil source control console dimension is 1150 by 800 by 1,000 mm. Total power is 4 kilowatt weight, 9,000 kilograms for accessories, clamping jaw, bell pieces, compression testing flatten up and below bending, testing set, bending testing plug, electronic extensometer. Young hood. Specification with complete scrubber, stainless steel, offer and lock system fiberglass including installation for fuming acid, digestion, HCI, H2 is offer, SNO3 and other acids of lower strength, and ammonia vapor. At least ASHRAA 110 certified and or EN 14175 certified. Overhead lit light strip of fluorescent lamp attached to the side top of hood with corrosion and moisture protection, 1,000 lux, 1,000 foot candles, minimum internal fume hood, working area dimension width, depth, height of 1397 mm by 3736 by 1499 mm. Maximum height should not exceed laboratory ceiling, worktop, bed of granite, heat, flame, and corrosion resistance such as epoxidized resin homogeneous solid with spill drainage of spill stopper. Volume of air treated minimum of 690 cubic meter per hour. Air phase velocity variable up to at least 0.5 minute per second at full SAS opening. Voltage is 220 to 40 to 20 to 240 volts. Laminated tempered glass type of sample or materials of similar or better performance with counterweight or lock to allow SAS to stay at the preferred height, corrosion resistant. Electric socket outside near the hood opening minimum of 2 outlets. controller for air velocity loading calibration upon installation, alert system of filter or scrubber saturation, air velocity, fan failure, and SAS height for ductless and ducted fume hood, chemical resistant, epoxy resin coated or higher performance, fume hood with complete scrubber and duct system, exclusive distributorship of authorized distributor with local after 6 months including of scrubber maintenance. Type 90 safety storage cabinet, fuel, plastic, specification, sheet and approved storage of flammable hazardous substance in working areas. External dimension is 1193 by 613 by 1953 mm. External dimension is 1050 by 522 by 1647 mm. Weight is 474 kilograms. Minimum exhaust or air quality 10 times 9 per cubic minutes per hour. Differential pressure 10 times air change 5 Pascal. Differential pressure 10 times air change PK 5/AK4 5 Pascal. Distributed loaded is 531 kilograms per square meter. Digital cement, sama ba yun?
Yes, sir.
Digital cement compression testing. Capacity, 3,000 kilonewton. Relative indicator error, plus or minus 1%. Greatest pressure of the hydraulic pump, 25 megapascal. Vertical clearance is 165 Nm. Power of motor is 0.75 kilowatt. Working voltage is 380/220 volt. It is used to test compression strength of the cement mortar. Automatic bitumen compacting 101 4 inches asphalt Marshall compactor. Sliding mass weight of 4,536 plus or minus 9 grams. Wall height is 457 millimeter plus or minus 1.5 millimeter. Mold diameter is 101.6 mm. Mold height is 87 mm. Blows frequency is 60 blows per minute. Drilling rod GISTW. Specification is shall be compliant with DSTM D2113 and DCDMA or its equivalent shall be able to accommodate a depth at least 60 meters or its equivalent or better. 4.5 mm by 1.5 mm as per sample. Drilling rod JISTW. Specification is shall be compliant with DSTM D2113 and DCDMA or its equivalent shall be able to accommodate a depth of at least 60 meters or its equivalent or better. 4.5 by mm by 3 meter as per sample. Casing BW3 specifications must be compatible with the casing shall be compliant with DSTM D2113 and DCDMA or its equivalent shall be able to accommodate a depth of at least 60 meters or its equivalent or better. 3 inches inside the meter by SCS 40. Casing BW 1.5 meters. Specification must be compatible with casing shall be compliant with ASTM D2113 and DCDMA or its equivalent shall be able to accommodate a depth at least 60 meters or its equivalent or better. 3 inches inside the meter by its Schedule 40, 1.5 meters. Casing head 3 inches specification must be compatible with the casing shall be compliant with the ASTM D2113 and DCDMA or its equivalent shall be able to accommodate a depth of at least 60 meters or its equivalent or better. The measurement is 3 inches. split tube sampler R-AW2 inches. Assembly specifications shall be compliant with the STM B1586 or with JGS A1219 or its equivalent. The sampler should be made from strong materials such as hardened steel and must be equipped with bolt chick and bed or its equivalent or better. Open drive shoes should be made of hardened steel which can penetrate both soap and soil or its equivalent or better. The measurement is 2 inches. Corpet with tungsten carbide chip specification corpet shall that have specially formulated diamond segment that allow it to drill through cured concrete with the hard aggregate quickly and smoothly. That's applicable. Okay. Yes.
So, any question or concern regarding this detailed description of the purchase? So, if none, we need to proceed. As stated, the invitation to bid, bidding will be conducted through open competitive bidding procedures using a non-discretionary pass on fail criteria as specified in the 2016 revised applicable rules and regulation, the Republic Act 9134. Prospective bidders may obtain information from the bidder Aklan Engineering Office, Kalibo, through its bids in our committee, inspect the bidding documents at the address below, given during Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. A complete set of bidding documents will be acquired by tested bidders on February 27, 2025 to March 19, 2025 from the given address or website below, and upon the payment of the applicable fee for the bidding documents pursuant to the latest guidelines issued by the GPPB in the amount of 10,000 pesos. The procuring entity shall allow the bidder present its proof of payment for fees and person. Bid must be duly received by the bidder from Secretariat to manual submission at the address below indicated below on or before March 19, 2025 at 10 a.m. Late bids shall not be accepted. All bids must be accompanied by a bid security in any of the acceptable forms and the amount stated in the invitation to bid closed for you. Bid opening shall be on March 19, 2025 at 10 a.m. at the given address below. Bids will be open in the presence of the bidders representative who choose to attend the activity. The individual Aklan Engineering Office will open to its regional award committee reserve the rights to reject any and all bids declared available bidding or not award the contract at any time prior to the contract award in accordance with the section 35.6 and 41 of the 2016 revised implementing rules and regulations of the Republic Act 9184 without thereby incurring any liability to the affected bidder. So we now move and debate offense for civil works. So may I call the planning design section for the detailed description of the plan.
Good morning, everyone. Contract ID 25GA0131, construction of road Barangay Rizal, Nabas, Aklan, with the APC amount of 19,800,000. Project duration 170 calendar days. Construction of road 2.80 kilometers. Showing the layout plan, the location map, and the vicinity map. Next is the typical super elevated road sections. The typical road section. That's
Is there any question regarding this bill conference for civil works? So if none, let's proceed as stated in our invitation to bid for civil works. So prosecuting bidders will be 1. Registered with and classified by the Philippine Contractor Accreditation Board or PICAP with PICAP license category for of C and D for bidding documents. Contractors applicants who wish to participate in this bidding are encouraged to enroll in the DPWH Civil Works Application or the CWA. Okay. The contractor's eligibility to bid on the project will be determined using the DPWH contractor profile eligibility process or the CPEP and subject to further post qualification. Information on the legislation can be obtained from the PRS during working weekdays from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. or at the DPWH website www.dpws.gov.ph. As per GPPB Resolution number 15-2021, prospective bidders are required to upload and maintain current on the following eligibility documents and the objectives. A. Registration certification. B. Mayor's or business permit or its equivalent documents. C. Tax clearance. D. Income license and registration. And for E. Audited financial statement. Okay. So bidding will be conducted through open competitive bidding procedures using non-discretionary fast or failing criterion as specified in the 2016 Revised Implementing Rules and Regulation of the Republic Act 9184, otherwise known as the Government Procurement Reform Act. The contract will be awarded to the lowest calculated responsive bidders who was determined as such during post-qualification. Interested bidder may obtain further information from the DPW's Aklan Secretariat Office, Kalibo, from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. A complete set of bidding documents will be acquired by interested bidders on February 27, 2025 to March 19, 2025 from the address below, and upon the payment of the applicable fee for the bidding documents pursuant to the guidelines issued by the GPP. It also be downloaded free of charge from the website of the Philippine Government Electronic Procurement System. Bid submission may be done manually or electronically. Bids are usually received by the Linabuan Secretariat at the address below for manual submission or electronic bids _ Aklan at dpws.gov.ph for electronic submission on or before March 19, 2025 at 10 a.m. All bids must be accompanied by a bid security and any of the acceptable form and the amount stated in our invitation to bid closely. Bid opening shall be on March 19, 2025 immediately after the deadline of the submission of bids at the Bidding Award Committee Conference Room, DPW's Secretariat Office, Kalibo. All bids shall be opened in the presence of the bidder's representative who choose to attend at the address below. Late bids shall not be accepted. The DPW's Aklan Secretariat Office, Kalibo, reserve the rights to reject any and all bids, declare a failure of bidding or not award the contract at any time prior to contract award in accordance with Section 51 of the Republic Act 9184 in its implementing laws and regulation, without thereby incurring any liability to the affected bidder or bidders. So, is there any concern or question regarding this description of the budget? So, if none, our PB conference for today, March 6, 2025, for civil works and for goods is hereby adjourned. So, we will now move in the opening of bids for civil works. Thank you, Planning Section personnel and PI personnel. So, okay, so we now move in the opening of bids for civil works. So may I request the Bank Secretariat to please open the box, and we have some announcement from our procurement office.
92. ID 92.
Okay, good morning, everyone. Here are the results of the contract file processing activity results. All bidders were found to be eligible. They include all information has to be validated during post qualification when it is an award to bidding. Thank you, I will see everyone.
Thank you, Mr. Jeremiah. So we will now only with the opening of bids,
Technical information,
technical and
financial statement.
financial documents.
Zero 99. 130. Nine nine by one. 130. 40. 130.
Sakina. Okay. Ano ba naiwan?
Ay, nabit-bit base eh. Nabit-bit. Diba?
No. 85 minutes. Good morning once again. We may now proceed in the reading of the result for today's opinion page for civil works. So today is March 6, 2025. Now Marla, we may now proceed in the reading of the result. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Here are the results of today's bidding. For contract ID number 25GA0099, completion of multipurpose building, Barangay Bulwang, Numancia, Aklan. ABC is 2,970,000 pesos. First bidder, First Makin Construction. Total amount of bid, 2,405,700 pesos. Next bidder, Villarente Twin Builders Corporation. Total amount of bid, 2,964,251 pesos and 74 centavos. Less 20% in the amount of 592,850 pesos and 35 centavos, in a total net amount of 2,371,401 pesos and 39 centavos.
For the next project, contract ID 25GA0117, construction/provision of MPV, Barangay Marianos, Numancia. 117. ABC is 2,970,000. First bidder, Villarente Twin Builders, total bid amount 2,964,089 centavos. With a discount of 20%, amounting to 592,800 pesos and 18 centavos. Net amount of it is 2,371,200 pesos and 71 centavos. Next bidder is First Makin Construction. Total amount of bid 2,405,700 pesos.
This project is 25GA0085, completion of multi-purpose building at Barangay Jawili, Tangalan, with the ABC of 1,980,000. We have a loan bidder, First Market Construction, with the amount of bid as rate 1,584,000 pesos. Another project is under contract ID number 85GA0099, 92, completion of multi-purpose building at Barangay Bagong, Barrio, Makato, Aklan, with the ABC of 1,980,000. We have a loan bidder, 2MN Construction, with the total amount of bid as bid, 1,974,593 pesos. No discount offered. Another project under contract ID 25GA 0103, completion of multi-purpose building, Barangay Tagaroroc, Nabas, Aklan, with the ABC of 1,980,000 pesos. And we have a loan bidder, AC Gold Construction and Supply, with the total amount of bid as bid, 1,976,792, 1,976,792 and 34 centavos. And the last, another contract ID, we have 25GA 0040, construction of Mabulay Road at Barangay, Norte, Kalibo, Aklan, with the ABC of 4,950,000 pesos. And we have a loan bidder, AC Golden Construction Services Incorporated, with the total amount of bid as bid, 4,925,250 pesos, no discount offered.
For the next project, 25GA0107, completion of multi-purpose building, Barangay Tagas, Tangalan, Aklan, with the ABC of 2,970,000 pesos. We have two bidders. First bidder is First Makin Construction, with the total amount of bid of 2,376,000 pesos only. No discount offered. Next bidder, 2MN Construction, with the amount of bid of 2,964,730 pesos and 61 centavos, less 20%. Net amount of bid is 2,371,784.49 centavos.
Next project, with the contract ID 25J0130, construction of road, Purok, Barangay Dongon East, Numancia, with the ABC of 4,900,000. For the first bidder, the First Makin Construction, with the total amount of bid of $3,773,000. No discount offered. For the next bidder, Vigilant Queen Builders Corporation, with amount of bid of 4,894,394 pesos and 48 centavos. With a discount offered of 25%.
2.5, sir.
Oh, God, sakit sa tugan.
25%. In the amount of 1,223,598 pesos and 62 centavos. With the net amount of bid of 3,670,795 pesos and 86 centavos. and so on. There's the result of leading of the result for today's opinion bids for civil works. So is there any question or concern regarding this opinion bids for today? Okay, so also please inform. Also please inform that all bids are subject with detailed evaluation and post qualification. Our opening of bids for civil works for today, March 6, 2025, is hereby adjourned. Thank you, everyone.